The easiest way to change the text message sound on your Pixel phone is to press and hold the Messages app, and from the options that open, you'll choose App Info. Then, from the App Info window, we're going to go into Notifications, and under Notification Categories, you'll first tap Default Settings, and from there, you can tap Incoming Messages. Then, once in the Incoming Messages settings, we can finally tap Sound, and choose the sound you'd want to play as your text message tone. You can choose from a wide variety of built-in sounds, or you can use your own custom sound. The My Sounds menu allows you to pick any MP3, WAV, or OGG file you've downloaded and use that as your text message sound. You can also assign a unique text message sound to a specific person. Just go to Messages, find the conversation where you'd like to use a custom sound, and then tap the recipient's name on the top of your screen. Then choose Notifications, and from the notification settings, you can change the sound. This will change the sound for this person only, so you'll know based on the sound who's texting you. And that's how you change the text message sound on your Pixel phone. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all, I'll see you next time.